Welcome back to the channel. Right now I have the chart of Nifty 50 and I have been really bullish on Nifty ever since we got this fall, and I was of this view that this entire fall that we got was the last move of the last move of the last move. And here we are. We have got a good rise in which I've not yet looked at the data, but if I must have cut around 20,000-30,000 short contracts in index futures. So let me label this as an A wave, this as a B wave, and if I do that, then the wave C extension comes in around let's say 23,500, and you are now at 22,800, so 200 and plus 500, roughly 600-700 points of up move you have got in wave C. So I expect this kind of rise in Nifty, wherein we'll get that wave C, then wave D, then wave E, and then we'll eventually cover it again around 2,400 or 2,500 levels. What exactly are we looking at? And as you know, I have this long-term target of 27,000, 28, 30,000 in Nifty. I'll have the link of that video in the description of my long-term wave counts on Nifty 50. As far as the technical part is concerned, I have this falling trend line of which is touching the lower highs in this case, and is yet to break above that. But if I were to look at Gift Nifty, I think we have already broken above that. Maybe let us see. No, we are yet to break above that, but we are very close to that. I think the trendline resistance comes in at the upper end of the Bollinger Band, that is 23,070. Let's round it off to 23,100. So you have roughly 250-300 points of move, wherein you will eventually break out above this falling trend line, and that would keep the momentum in for the bulls. And I don't think now, well, there are a lot of technical analysts that still have this view that after completing that ABC, you tend to go and see these lower lows of you tend to see you'll go about 22,000 is what most technical analysts believe, but I don't think that we are going to do that. The probability of that happening is close to around 5% or maybe 2 to 3% in this case, due to the fact that you have got some of the technical indicators rising, you have got the trend following indicators rising, you had some sort of sentiment lows around 22,000, and the possibility of we testing 22,000 back is very, very thin right now from my perspective. I will be only and only buying in this kind of market. So I'd like to hold all of these stocks for next 8-10 months. When you have that kind of last move towards 27,000, 28,000, if you're long over here at 22,000, and even if market goes till 25,000, we'll figure it out what happens at 25,000. Are we going lower or are we going higher from there? But I think this is one of the best times to accumulate stocks at around 22,000, 22,500, and next 8 to 10 months or even 8 to 12 months are going to be fabulous in terms of returns in the broad market, but more in mid caps and large caps. So I think that is it for the video. I'll always have a look at this falling trend line, and we have a very positive sign is have eventually closed above the 20 moving average that comes in around 22,556, and an eventual close above 40-day moving average would mean that we are above the 40-day averages. So that comes in around 22,900, and that would mean that you have eventually reversed the 40-day downward trend. So closing about 22,900 would in textbook terms, in terms of technical analysis, would mean that the medium-term trend has eventually reversed, but you don't really had to wait till 22,900. All you had to do was apply some sort of technical analysis and have a sentiment view of the markets that would have told you that the market was eventually bottoming around at 22,000. I think that was it for the video. Thank you.